is Priscilla, and I have a message for you beautiful light warriors out there. Yes, you. If you choose light over darkness, love over hate, truth over lies and deception, and you have an inner calling that the world needs healing, and you are here to assist in repairing it and making it a better world to live, then this message is for you. It's time for you to claim your power. It's time for you to see all the hidden treasures and the gifts that the Creator has given you. It's time for you to see that all the trauma and the sufferings that you have gone through in the past has been there for you to see and find your inner strength and your self-worth. Yes, living in a chaotic time could take our power away, and the negative side constantly wants to create fear inside of us. And watching the news especially could make us fall into depression, anxiety, anger, and so on. But you have to remember that every time you fall, there is an opportunity to connect back to the light and create something even stronger and more powerful. This is the biggest test of our lifetime that we are going through. This is the test of our faith and certainty in the light of the Creator. It's a test for us to realize that behind the illusion of fear and chaos, the light of the Creator is hidden, and it's our duty to connect to it and bring it to our world. But we cannot do that unless we claim our self-worth, to claim our inner strength and our special and unique gifts. Each one of us have a very unique gift that can bring healing to the world. So I urge every one of you to use this special cosmic time to purge your trauma and sadness and allow the light of the Creator to come in and get in touch with your hidden treasures, your self-worth, and to bring healing not only to yourself but to the world. Thank you.